You've probably heard whispers about Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. But what if I told you the next quiet catalyst isn't Bitcoin, it's $XRP? Yes, $XRP ETFs could reshape the entire crypto investment landscape. Here's why this matters. If approved, XRP ETFs would open the doors for institutional capital that's never touched crypto before. We're talking pension funds, retirement accounts, 401ks, and regulated portfolios, finally able to allocate into XRP through fully compliant structures. That's not just money flowing in, that's validation. Analysts estimate $20 billion could enter XRP in the first year alone. That kind of inflow doesn't just move price, it transforms market behavior, supply tightens, momentum builds. And the early entrants, the ones who position before the news, capture the biggest upside. This is what we call the ETF effect, where regulatory approval becomes the spark that triggers mainstream participation. But this goes deeper than short-term price action. Institutional legitimacy means XRP graduates from being seen as just another crypto ... to becoming a regulated, investable digital asset with macro-level relevance. ETFs expand credibility. They embed XRP into traditional finance, into pension systems, wealth funds, and retirement accounts, right next to stocks, bonds, and gold. That's not speculation anymore, that's integration. For investors, the edge isn't waiting for the headline. It's understanding the timing of ETF approvals and front-running the capital rotation before it hits the mainstream. Because by the time CNBC starts talking about it, the smart money has already positioned. And let's not forget the ripple effects. Literally, XRP ETFs won't just lift price, they could fuel layer 2 adoption, enterprise integration, and cross-border liquidity growth across the entire ecosystem. In other words, XRP stops being a speculative token and becomes the market catalyst. So ask yourself, when the inflows begin, when institutional liquidity floods in, will you be reacting to the headlines or position before they break? October's energy is shifting. The next phase of adoption is forming quietly under the surface. And this time, it might not just be about holding crypto. It's about understanding where the next financial wave is about to start. XRP ETFs, not hype, but history in motion.